Hello, everyone. This is Sherry from Handmade U. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is our July monthly craft box tutorial. So our theme this month is Flower Power. We have three really cool projects going on. So before we jump into the projects, just a quick note about safety. Um, we do encourage that if there are going to be children utilizing this box, that there is adult supervision. We're using scissors and we're using hot glue guns, and we want them and you to be as safe as possible. When it comes to the hot glue gun, just be very cautious. You don't want to get the hot glue on your skin. If you do, it may burn you. And so we just want you to be super cautious about that. We have provided some silicone finger protectors for you to use during the project to help protect your fingers. With regards to the hot glue gun, just make sure that you unplug it when you're done using it and that you don't leave it plugged in unattended for any length of time. The scissor, in terms of the scissors, just make sure when you're using the scissors that you're always cutting away from your body. You don't want to cut towards your leg or towards your arm or your fingers or anything like that. Always cut away from your body. And then if the scissors happen to fall, jump back and let them fall and hit the ground. And then once they're on the ground, go ahead and safely pick them up and return them wherever you need to. But just try your best to avoid trying to catch a pair of falling scissors. So with that said, with those safety points, we're going to go ahead and dive into the projects. I'm going to do the videos a little bit differently this month. I'm actually going to do 3 separate project videos. I know, but I'm going to try that out, see how it goes. So let me know what you think, how you feel about it. You want me to go back to one video? I'm down. Just let me know. Okay? All right. So I'll see you later.